Hello everyone, I am Osima Biswar. Today I will discuss about consumers equilibrium, maximizing satisfaction. A consumer is said to be in equilibrium when he is buying such a combination of goods as leaves him with no tendency to rearrange his purchases of goods. There are four assumptions on which equilibrium of the consumer based. First, the consumer has a given indifference map exhibiting his scale of preferences for various combinations of two goods X and Y. Second, he has a fixed amount of money to spend on the two goods. He has to spend whole of his given money on the two goods. Third, prices of the goods are given and constant for him. He cannot influence the prices of the goods by buying more or less of them. Fourth, goods are homogeneous and divisible. To show which combination of two goods X and Y the consumer will decide to buy and will be in equilibrium position, his indifference map and budget line are brought together. So, this figure 1, good X is represented on X axis, good Y is represented on Y axis. The budget line is BL. There are 5 indifference score: IC1, IC2, IC3, IC4 and IC5. Okay. While the budget line shows the various combinations which he can afford to buy with his given money income and given prices of the goods, and the indifference map shows higher level of satisfaction. Okay. Good X is measured on X axis and good Y is measured on Y axis. I have already told that with given money to be spent and given prices of the two goods, the consumer can buy any combination of goods which lie on the budget line BL. Okay. Every combination on the budget line BL cost him the same amount of money. In order to maximize his satisfaction, the consumer will try to reach the highest possible indifference score which he could with a given expenditure money and given prices of the two goods. Budget restraint forces consumer to remain on the given budget line, that is to choose a combination from among only those which lie on the given budget line. So, the point Q which lie on the budget line BL and also Q is on indifference curve IC3. This is the point where the consumer is in equilibrium. So, the consumer buys ON of good X and ON of good Y. If consumer buys R or S or H, any point consumer will not be in equilibrium. Okay, the consumer will choose that combination on the budget line BL which lies on the highest possible indifference score. The highest indifference score which the consumer can reach is the indifference score to which the budget line BL is tangent. This budget line BL is tangent and point Q on indifference score IC3. Okay. At the tangency point Q, the slope of the budget line BL and indifference curve IC3 are equal. Slope of the indifference curve shows the marginal rate of substitution X for Y. Okay. Budget line shows price of good X divided by price of good Y. So, marginal rate of substitution X for Y equal to price of good X divided by price of good Y equal to price of X divided by price of Y. So, we have already told that Q is the point of consumer's equilibrium, BL is tangent on indifference curve IC3. The consumer will buy ON amount of good Y and OM amount of good X. This is the consumer's equilibrium. Okay, thanks for watching.